My name is Father Max Mubanjizi. By the title, I'm a Catholic priest and I reside here. This is the St. Charles Lwanga Kigarama Catholic Parish in the Archdiocese of Mbarara in this western region of Uganda North Constituency, Midoma District. In this region, this church has become a treasure. I wouldn't want to say a tourist attraction in sort because this is a spiritual center, but people come here from all over. People who are not even ascribing to this religion will come and look at this amazing structure. This is truly a beautiful church because of this roofing material that is light, that is easy, that is fast and quick, but also so beautiful because previously those construct materials would not last long. People who have not tested this, I would really recommend and highly recommend that you use this product. Use Uganda Baati.
Ultraspan, durability and strength you can trust for ages. Uganda Baati, Uganda's most trusted building solutions partner.